In this video, I'm going to show you how to add and resize container columns in card.co. So the first thing you want to do once you're inside your card build over here, you want to click on this plus icon and then you want to click on container at the very bottom left. Now here, this is your container. You want to click on it so this left-hand menu appears, and then where it says type, it's default by default, but you want to click on it and click on columns. Now over here, as you can see, it's going to create two columns by default. Now you can of course add more by clicking add over here, and it's going to tell you which one is which. So this one is left, this one is in the middle, and this one is the right one over here. If you actually want to resize them, you simply have to adjust this width over here. So for example, let's say I want this one to be 50%, and as you can see, the other two will adjust automatically depending on what you put in here. Of course, you can use one as a spacer as well if you click on that over here, and of course you can stack them on top in case you're using the mobile version. Okay, if you'd like to delete one, click on over here, and as you can see, only the two are left. So that's pretty much it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.